You're gonna see on here, I'm gonna actually do this just for an example, and I'm using a 1/4 inch sewing allowance here, so bear with me. Try to get this in frame. I'd usually do this on the table, but I would have to reset all that up, and right now I don't have that time, so just trying to utilize being here at the machine. So that's we're going to use this for a 1/4 inch sewing allowance, and what we're going to do is go and fold this piece in half. So this back piece, right, this side is actually the back side of the fabric. This is the face of the fabric. So what we'll do here is fold this in half, and we're going to feed it in kind of like a taco, if I can figure this out here. And what I'll do is I'll end up just clipping this. I kind of have fat fingers, so I apologize for the choppiness. Yeah, you can never have enough of these clips. These clips are so handy. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna come in here, I'm gonna sew here on this white line, and then I'm gonna sew all the way down to the end. We're gonna go back to time lapse, but I hope that gives you a little insight.